In this video, I'll be sharing with you a nail design using strips of metallic foil glitter to create a really cool scraped metal effect. To start off, as always, we're going to prep with a layer of base coat to protect our natural nails, especially since we'll be using a black polish. So I got this container of metallic strips off of eBay for about $1. The product looks like a tangled mess, but if you give it a little stir, the pieces break up. On my left hand, I'll first be trying this over white, so I'm going to start with 2 coats of white polish. But before the second coat dries, and while it's still tacky, I'm going to apply the metallic glitter strips to it. Carefully pick some of it up and press it into the tacky polish. I pressed the pieces down securely, and then I carefully buffed my finger over top to smooth down the glitter completely. This stuff is so lightweight and fragile, you definitely do not want to do this with an air conditioner blowing near you or a fan because it'll just go everywhere. I found my finger wasn't picking up enough of the glitter, so I did switch to this little applicator that comes with it, and that picked up a lot more. And any of the glitter pieces that are hanging off the nail will easily rub away once the polish has dried. Once all of the metallic glitters were on, I gave each nail another smooth down. The more that these pieces are flattened, the more chrome-like the finish becomes. To remove any pesky glitter from the skin, you can just use some tape to pick it up. So if you apply a regular top coat over this will happen. The glitter will bleed and lose all of its chrome effect, but if you apply a water-based top coat, or also known as a foil top coat first, it prevents that from happening. And here's what the white metallic scratches look like. I think the design over white looks best shiny, but at the end of this video, I'll show you how it looks matte as well. So on my opposite hand, I'm going to do the same process, but over black polish. You could probably build up the glitter to be as dense and full coverage as you want. What I really like about the product is how it completely smooths out and it doesn't stick up off the nail at all. I finished with a matte top coat for the black nails because I think it adds contrast, and here is what that looks like. I seriously love how this turned out. I think these little pieces of glitter are going to be so fun to play with over other colors, and I can't wait to experiment with that. I really wasn't sure what to call this look. I ended up on scratched metal because I think that's kind of what it looks like most, but what do you think? If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by leaving me a thumbs up, and for more tutorials like this one, you can just click on your screen here.